Hi everyone, this is Neha. So this is chair yoga which I am practicing today for all the people who cannot practice on the mat, also for the people who spend a lot of time in the computer chair. I am dividing the series into 3 parts. So majorly today I will be working on our spine. So I am sure you will enjoy the video and the practice as well. So let's get started. Let's start the session today. So what is more important here is to have a strong chair. And if you have a chair with the hands, it's much better because we are going to use the hands also along with it during our practice. Place your chair in such a place that it is not slippery and you're safe. Okay, so now let's start. The first stretch we are going to start is with our neck. So sit on the chair comfortably. If you are okay not to use the backrest, much better. If you think you need a backrest, then you sit closer to the chair. If you think it's okay without the backrest, come little ahead. Okay, now let's start with a mild neck stretch. Keep your spine straight, keep your shoulders down, place your hands on the thigh. Inhale, exhale, drop your neck to the right with the help of your right hand, drop your neck down. Inhale, exhale, hold here for 3 counts. 1, don't move your shoulder, just your neck which is down. 2 and 3. Come to center, drop it down. Other side, inhale, exhale, drop your neck down. Your spine is straight, remember your shoulder is relaxed. 3, 2 and 1. Come to center. Now turn your neck to the right and to the left. To the right, to the left. One more time, to the right, to the left, and come to center. Okay, so now let's start with one simple stretch for the spine. Now for you to have a better understanding about the posture, I am turning my chair. Now from here, if you sit here, you won't be able to give a lot of stretch. So come a little ahead, palm together, lift your both the hands up straight without moving your hip joint, only from the spine. Give us gentle stretch. Look up. Exhale from here, round your shoulder, push your arms forward. You can feel a good stretch. If your spine is tight, you can feel a stretch here. Stay. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. 2 more times to go. Inhale, open up your chest, spine in. Exhale, round your shoulder, push your arms ahead. Last 1 more to go. Inhale up. And exhale, round your shoulder. And from here, drop your hands down, keep your spine in a straight line. Okay? Getting back to the normal from here. So now lift your both the hands again up. From here, a mild stretch to the right, to the left. Do not lean to the side, just a stretch in the side. 2, bend. 3, inhale, exhale accordingly, change. 4, change. The last one, 5 and change. Come to center, drop your hands down. By this time you can see that your shoulders are a little tired already, but that's okay. Please continue. Now keep your right hand on the right knee. Left hand, hold the hand of the chair. Okay, spine straight, lifted up. Inhale, look back and exhale. Stay here. If you want to have little more intense stretch, then hold the edge of the chair. 3, 2, 1. Come to center. A good twist. Now same thing the other side. Left hand on the right knee. Right hand goes on the hand. Lifted up, twist back. If you want to have little more intense, hold the edge and try to push yourself a little more. where you can feel a good stretch in your shoulder as well as in your spine. Slowly release. Now take your both the hands interlocked, keep it behind the head. Now inhale, exhale, drop your elbow to the hand or the chair. Side, 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 just touch the hand and come to center. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Center. The more you keep your spine straight, the more you feel the stretch deeper. So try to continue that. Now both the hands to the shoulder level. Now inhale, inhale, lift your hands up straight. Exhale, take your both the hands forward and drop your chest like heavy. Stay here. Push arms out. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale all the way up. And exhale forward. Inhale up. Drop your hands to the waist. Now keep your both the knee apart from each other. Depending on the width of your chair, you can spread your legs even more. From here, lifted spine up. Inhale. Push your chest forward and come up. Here you can see that the stretch is a little more intense in terms of your hip joint and your spine. Hold. So try to get deeper without rounding your shoulder. So here your shoulder is not rounded, it is stretched out. Look down. Inhale up. Now extend your hands forward. Inhale. Exhale. Get your chest forward with your spine straight. Now drop your hands down. If you're not able to drop your hands down on the floor, that's okay. Imagine that you're here. That's absolutely fine. Just make sure that your spine is in straight line. That's it. Okay. So let's repeat this 3-4 times. Inhale up and exhale down. I can feel a good stretch in my hip joint and spine. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, just 3 more rounds. Exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and the last one, exhale down. Stay here and look up. 3, 2, 1. Now get your both the palm together. Lift your right hand all the way up. See, for the help, my arm is taking the rest on my thigh. So just make sure that you're relaxing. It's okay if you tilt a little bit more to the side. Open up your chest and drop it down. Same thing the other side. Tilt, take a help of the leg. Open up your chest. Drop it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. 2 more times. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. The last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Now place your hands on the knee first. Slowly come up. Get your legs together. Now you can feel the little bit of a strain on your spine. All you have to do is come to the edge of the mat just to give the counter stretch for your spine. Lift your both the hands up straight. Give a back bend. And center. This is very important. You have to give a counter posture. Last one round. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Alright, so this was the part 1. So start with this. If you find it difficulty in practicing or if your body is still tight, then I would recommend you to practice this for few more days before you jump into the part 2. So this was a practice today. I hope you have enjoyed the session. If you did, then please drop a comment, and yes, if you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Also, tomorrow same time I'll be posting part 2. For that, you have to click a bell icon right next to it so that you will receive the notification whenever I post. It's actually kind of motivating for you to do a part 2. See you tomorrow again. Thank you.